Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost. Today we are taking a look at the TP-Link NC450 Wi-Fi camera. Basically you connect this camera to your Wi-Fi and then you have like a surveillance camera, or just if you want to look at things. So we're gonna start. There's plastic that I actually don't have too much issues with for once. We'll see here what happens when we remove the plastic. I think I'm gonna lean down to make it a little easier. And here we go. This is what it looks like without the plastic. And then there should be some kind of, I gotta be able to open it somehow. Here we go. Here is a little tab that you pull, and then you just open the entire box like so, and here you get instructions, warranty. This is a power adapter, and this is, I guess, if you are having, if you want Ethernet, if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi. And we have a network cable if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi. And we have an extra power cable, perhaps, I don't know. Here is the, is this it? No, it can't be it. This is something different that I have no idea what it is. And there's like a piece of plastic, screws and mounting holes. It's a whole bunch of stuff. And here is the actual camera. So we'll take a look at that. If I can open it. But yeah, they have used like pull tabs or something. So we're just gonna have to see if we can get this out. Oh, this is so meta. It's a camera looking at a camera. Isn't that fun? Now, let's see. A piece of plastic and nothing. Well, I guess that concludes the unboxing experience review. I would say that this is actually an 8 because there wasn't anything that was a pain in the ass to deal with. It was straightforward to open. And once you open the box, it's lots of fun stuff in the box. And speaking of fun stuff, I make 8-bit music, so if you're into that kind of thing, check out the link in the video description that I have posted. And like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends, watch it again, and see you next time. Bye.